Hello guys, in this video we will look at the Dispute Beast, a platform that calls itself the most advanced AI-powered financial app ever created, at least according to their own marketing. Let's break it down. They say it can help you fix your credit score by doing the heavy lifting using AI. You get a full credit overview for all three bureaus, and they claim to simplify the entire dispute process. Their website is full of testimonials, and when we check Trustpilot, they have got a solid 4.2 out of 5 rating with over 120 reviews. Around 75% are 5 stars, with people saying they saw real results, some within just 7 days. They said about 12% of reviews are 1 star, mostly from users who did not see any changes or feel it was not worth the money. On the plus side, the company actually responds to reviews, which shows they are at least active and trying to help customers. Final thoughts. Dispute bids look legit. They are transparent, have verified reviews, and a decent reputation. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.